Hello everyone, we're on Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing April Patreon 2024 Part 7. Looks like we have 2 or 3 more of these left, so we're almost towards the end of all the stuff that I've been showing you. And I don't know what else more that I can show. I can probably give you updates for the Patreon. So I really don't know. But anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. Let's get started. So we got Castro 3D. This is my mini factory. Then we're going to switch back to Patreon. Uh, this does figures, and they also do their welcome pack, as miniatures as well. We are getting Gale this month, and he has a full nude of him as well. And my wife wants me to print that figure, so so just letting you guys know, it's pretty good. I think I got Gale, and I think Will was last month that they did as well. And I have to go pick up a tie tie. Tai Tai, come here, baby. Oh my god. Ugh. Sorry. So we got Comet Lord miniatures. This is a current release that's coming out. We got some giants, mutated giants, and I think these are statues or golems. I like the hand one, and this is your welcome pack as well. This is for Dungeons and Dragons. It's also a good one. I think this is supposed to be the sculptor, and there's the lore for it. Also, these are his sculptors, like golems. That's kind of interesting as well. The living failures. Maija Forge is another good one. This one basically is terrain, and is really cheap terrain for buildings and so forth. This was, I believe, I think this could be for this month. So I'm kind of gonna get more FDM printers because people start liking the we call it the terrain that I painted for the tavern and the barn for it in many ways. We got Artificers Mini, another D&D. The Diagon, the Destroyers, was basically like Conan. This is probably Conan. This is monthly party for yep Conan. And then we got the welcome pack that comes with it as well. Hardwitch Games, another D&D figures. They do mostly like naughty girls and bustiness, but we got some undead, some terrain. Looks like a golem, armored golem, an armored griffin, dancer, a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Let's see here. There's lots of bonuses you can get from it, and your welcome pack as well. And Cyberstash, I don't know if they're still doing stuff on Cyberstash, or are they? I think they stopped. Leak Make by cutting the chase. We will be discounting the beginning of April for our merchants. Okay, so it looks like we got this one as well. Oh, they're closing. Oh, so they're not there anymore. Okay. Then let's get to the Patreon ones. So we're doing STL project. Looks like we got Spider-Man for one of the figures. There's April teasers, and yeah, that's April 10th. So we got Direwolf, Heather Manson from Silent Hill, and Pennywise from It. And then we got Invincible that came in as well, and Geese Howard from King of Fighters for it. Oh yeah, Sanji, that was last month. So yeah, Mayo statue, another figure as well for anime. Let's see what they have. It's number 2, 3, 3. Okay, 2 and 3. Emeralds of Shadow, Valentine Skullgirl, and not on Valentine. I want Alpha from Skullgirl, and I think Zeta as well. Zeta is pretty hot. Alright, so they got Nami Egghead figure. Oops, not that one. That one. Yeah, they do need to. So you got that. And then this is from last month. I didn't get previous month as well. You might want to go check it out. Man I Love figures, another D&D figures as well. Let's see what we got. We got Maki, Chloe from Unicorn Overlord, Alfron. I don't like Alice. I do like She, the comic book series. Rose, Brutus, Sorcerer. Doesn't stay. No. Android 18. Yes. Then we got that one. My Hero Academia, the Invisible Girl. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, the last four. They do figures, you know, busty figures and stuff. I'm not gonna go too much of it. If you guys want to look at it, look it down the link below for you guys. Oh, Shiramas is another good proxy for like Tyranids. Then they start working on the Tau and other things. So this would be good for the Necrons. That will be definitely good for the Necrons for terrains. So yeah, this is the Necrons. They're doing April release. So we got the Necrons. I think this is supposed to be the Tau or whatever. But I like the big crustacean looking things because I probably gonna use it for proxy for my Tyranids. Just letting you guys know. Peach, another good figure. Some Mako. It's right here. Coming up this month is Mai. That I might end up printing. You got the 2B near bunny suit as well. Ethan's Studios. None of the stuff came in yet, but usually in the month. They do like Final Fantasy JRPG style, you know, miniatures for your game. Bulkmancer is the current reward we're getting on the top. I know Kratos. I do not know what these three are from. Past four models from last month, and your bonuses as well. That is going to be happening. Palpa 3D, April. They do a lot of Lord of the Ring reenactment and stuff, so the Watcher of Condor. So if you do like those Lord of the Ring Warhammer games, I think this might be a good thing to get. So yeah, you got Rohan or Condor soldiers. That might help, you know, with the prices and everything. Digital Dark pinups. They do a lot of lewd stuff. I think this is one of the ones they're working on. And the other one is that lady from Borderlands. So I don't know if you have anything for the thing, but yeah. Sin 3D Studio, another figure one. This is for the next month that's coming up. But this month, this is going to be for April. Never mind, this is for April. That you're going to get. I think they're from Nikki, one of the video games thing that I heard so much about. Well, anyhow, that'll be it, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day.